hits in hand, there's no controlling me. My thoughts are I might grab a bat, I don't know. Grab the blood, it's over like oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't expose, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed?
And then take down.